Welcome to Tripping Eagle. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of packing like a pro? Whether you're heading to a bustling city or a tranquil beach, these hacks will make your next trip a breeze. Let's dive in. First up, the golden rule. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk about packing cubes. These little wonders keep everything organized and make it easy to find what you need without tearing your bag apart. Pro tip: use different colors for different categories. Shirts in one, pants in another. Now, who else hates tangled cables? Here's a hack. Use an old sunglasses case to store your chargers and earphones. No more spaghetti mess. Speaking of tech, ever thought about downloading maps offline? Yep, Google Maps lets you save areas in advance. Perfect for when you're exploring without Wi-Fi. Moving on to toiletries. Instead of carrying full-size bottles, invest in travel-sized containers. Better yet, use solid toiletries like shampoo bars and soap bars. They're TSA friendly and spill proof. Hydration is key. Bring a collapsible water bottle. It saves space and keeps you refreshed on the go. Let's not forget the all important travel documents. Keep a digital backup of your passport, tickets, and itinerary. Email them to yourself or store them in a secure cloud service. You'll be glad you did if things go south. Have you ever heard of the shoe hack? Stuff your shoes with socks, underwear, or small items. It saves space and keeps your shoes from getting squished. Now, for the fashionistas out there, limit yourself to 3 pairs of shoes. Trust me, it's enough. 1 pair of walking shoes, 1 dressy option, and 1 casual pair. Done and done. And here's a game changer. Wear your bulkiest items on plane. Think jackets, boots, and hats. You'll save tons of space in your luggage. Finally, a quick tip for long flights. Pack a small carry-on kit with essentials like a toothbrush, face wipes, and an extra pair of socks. You'll feel refreshed and ready to explore as soon as you land. So there you have it. Follow these hacks and you'll be packing like a seasoned traveler in no time. Got any other tips? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips. Happy travels!